Have you ever wondered how big brands consistently produce stunning studio quality product photos without actually stepping into a studio? Let me introduce you to Claid AI, an AI-powered image enhancement and product photography platform that's changing the way creators and businesses generate visuals. In this video, we'll explore what it can do, how it works, and whether it's really as powerful as it looks. To get started, go on the website linked in my description and create an account. After you log in, the homepage will show all the tools that Claid AI provides. The first step is to upload an image of your product. I'm going to use the image of this purple backpack. And when you take a picture or use an image of a product that you want to use, make sure that the boundaries are very distinct. And when you open it up, you'll see a bunch of tools on the left. The first tool I usually use is the remove background option, which removes the current background of the product so I can add other backgrounds that I want. I'm going to keep all the defaults and click apply operation. And now we have our product separated out from the current background that I provided in my original image. Now I can go on the left and choose one of the options. I'm going to choose AI photo shoot. It provides me an option to be precise, creative, inspirational, or have a specific background that I already have, or a mock-up. I'm going to go with precise to start off. And as you see here, it has a prompt that it has pre-filled here. I'm going to keep the default and click apply operation. And there we have, our image is ready. Now it seems similar to the one that I originally provided, but remember that that didn't have a bottle on the right. So let me look at the original image. So this is the one that I provided. It was on this piece of wood, but the image Claid provided looks a lot more professionally done. Now let me try the creative option. And it says in the default option here, generate an image of a model holding my product. In the bottom, I can also choose the number of images it generates at the same time. So I'm going to go with 4 this time and click apply operation. And there we have 4 different versions of a model holding this backpack. Let's take a look. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. They all look pretty amazing. This looks like someone who hikes a lot and maybe uses this backpack while she's hiking or backpacking. Now you can also edit this prompt right here on your own. All of these ones I have used are the auto-generated prompts. So I can mention a male model holding my product in the city. And let's look at the 4 images. This is the first one, the second one, third one, and the fourth one. This looks like someone who is like an office worker, maybe using this backpack to go to work. But I actually like the nature version of this better. I'm going to go with this one. And now that I've finalized this image, I can actually do more with it. I can animate and make a video out of it. For that, all you need to do is to click this animate button on the top. All right, our video is ready. Let's take a look. So as you see, the camera is zooming in on the model holding the bag. This is a simple animation done on the image that was generated of the bag that I originally provided to Claid AI. Now this is another video of the same backpack that I generated before. And this one looks like the model is sighing after a long hike maybe. But I think it's pretty amazing what I have done in a few minutes with Claid AI. Now that's all I have for you today. I would like to thank Claid AI for sponsoring this video. If you want to use them, I also have a discount code mentioned in my description. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Till the next one, thank you so much.